Every 2 weeks, your bank account comes back to life. The paycheck arrives. For a moment, everything feels possible. You promise yourself this month will be different. You'll save more, spend less, finally get ahead. Then reality begins. Rent, utilities, insurance, groceries, subscriptions you forgot you had. One payment after another, until the number starts shrinking again. By the end of the month, you're waiting for the next paycheck. Again, this cycle repeats so many times that it starts to feel normal. You stop asking why. You just hope next month will somehow be easier. Then you get a raise. For a few weeks, it feels like you finally escaped. Until a bigger apartment appears. A newer car. More expensive weekends. Your income grows. But so do your expenses. And before long, you're living paycheck to paycheck again, just at a higher income. That's the trap almost nobody notices. Because the problem was never how much you earned. It was how quickly your lifestyle learned to spend it. Then something strange happens. You start believing the next raise will fix everything. If I made another $1,000 a month, I'd finally be comfortable. But comfort has an enemy. It's called lifestyle inflation. The moment your income increases, your spending quietly follows. The apartment gets bigger. The car gets newer. The vacations become more expensive. The restaurant becomes normal. None of these decisions feel irresponsible. They feel deserved. After all, you worked hard for the raise. So why shouldn't your lifestyle improve? That's exactly how the trap works. The paycheck grows, but your freedom doesn't. Because every new expense becomes another monthly obligation, another payment, another bill, another reason you can't walk away from a job you hate. You think you're buying a better life, but sometimes you're only buying a more expensive version of the same financial prison. And the frightening part is, most people never realize they're trapped because everyone around them is living exactly the same way. The people who escape this cycle don't always earn the most. They simply make one decision differently. Every time their income increases, they don't upgrade their lifestyle first. They upgrade their future. Before buying a bigger house, they buy assets. Before upgrading their car, they grow their investments. Before spending more, they increase the gap between what they earn and what they spend. That's where real freedom begins. Not when your salary gets bigger, but when your money starts working without you, because the goal was never to impress people with a lifestyle. The goal was to build a life where money no longer controls your decisions. One day, you'll realize something surprising. The biggest financial upgrade wasn't the raise. It wasn't the new car. It wasn't the expensive apartment. It was the moment you stopped spending every dollar you earned. That's the day the paycheck trap begins to break. Because wealth isn't built by earning more. It's built by keeping more and giving your money a job before someone else does. The paycheck will always come. The question is, will it build your future? Or just pay for another month of the same life?